Hi and welcome. This time around I thought I'd try something a little different. As I head into my workshop, something I always take for granted, I'm looking around and I don't spend a lot of time looking at it, but I don't really have any impressions of it because I work there all the time. And I was wondering what other people think of my workshop because there's a lot stuffed in a really small space here. So I thought this time I'd ask my wife her opinion of what she thinks of all the stuff in the workshop. This might be a really short video like it's horrible mess, but I don't know, let's ask her and see what she thinks. All right, so here we are. Here's my wife, Annalisa.
Hello.
So first impressions, what is your impression of this workspace?
Messy.
Messy, anything else?
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. All right, well, why don't you walk around, pick something to look at, and you can tell me what your thoughts are about it.
So with each of your machines, the lathe, the mill, the surface grinder, all that, you have your own toolbox. So I'm in agreement with that because when I go to the store and I buy a pair of shoes, I buy all the colors that I like once I like the shoe. So that's fine, having lots of things. This whole area to me is very messy. Oh, and if you guys think, he made me this bell out of a scuba tank, and if you think he should finish it for me, and put it in the garden, comment in his section.
So you're going to use this video to pressure me. Okay.
Well, he made me this bell like 6 years ago, so I haven't pressured him that much.
So where do you want to start?
All right, so we're talking about messes, or what are we thinking?
Whatever you're interested in. Like looking
I
around.
think this part's very organized. All your this, you shouldn't leave dirty stuff here.
It's not used completely. That rag's still got a little life left in it. Or not.
Trash.
Apparently.
Well, this is a part. This used to be my makeup kit. I gave my husband this. You better edit some of this out.
So we're over here at my normal tool chest. Things like screwdrivers and sockets. Any thoughts?
Well, this one's, I mean, they're all kind of the same, all your toolboxes. A lot of each device in every size. It is very organized. I like that. Like if this was my makeup room, I would clean it, like dust it, so it's not greasy looking. Especially when I come borrow your tools, then my hands won't be dirty. But yeah, it's very, very organized.
Okay.
We got a lot of toolboxes.
Yeah, there's a lot of toolboxes for sure.
I personally would have done each toolbox in different colors or picked a theme like red and black or...
Since they're actually from Harbor Freight, I could have done that as a matter of fact, but I did not. They're all red.
I guess this one's your metal storage. That one's pretty organized.
The top, not as much.
Not
Every
as
time I get it
much.
cleaned up, I add a few more pieces
think
and they no
we're-
longer fit.
Out of room. And we need a ranch or something with a big workshop. Because your fan doesn't even fit in here. What else is over here? Let's check out this toolbox. Yeah, everyone... Please. I don't even think I've ever been in these. You have a lot of stuff. You can never say anything about the quantity of clothes I own. Or shoes. Matter of fact, we should probably go shopping tomorrow. I need to catch up. I think I'm low on shoes and handbags. All right, so I don't even know what's in here. This is pretty organized. This is one of the bins I go through when I need random stuff for the house, the hooks, screws, and oh yeah, every size screw you can possibly ask for. I feel like you need some kind of shelving right here. I feel like we should get those floating ones that you push a button and they come down and then they levitate back up. You can really do this garage really nicely. It just costs a little bit of money.
Is that it?
I think that's it.
That's your big thing?
There's nowhere to walk around. I can't really give a tour. I can tell you what I think some of the machines are called.
Yeah.
The lathe. Over there we passed was the mill. I think this is a hydraulic press. This is a giant microscope. I don't know the name of it. I think this is a bandsaw.
I'm in trouble. I can't make up stories about my tools. She knows the names of all of them.
This one was, that's a surface grinder, right?
Yep, surface grinder.
And then this is a belt sander or something.
Belt sander, yep.
This I have no idea what it is.
Grinder.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then he dented my car with his sandblaster because he decided he was going to store it in the front yard and it blew over on my car. So also, if you think he should fix the dent in my car too, comment in his comment box. It's been dented for like 2.5 years now.
What about this thing right in the middle here?
Oh, okay. So this is your granite thing with wheels that you put heavy stuff on. I have no idea what this is. Am I supposed to?
You're not supposed to necessarily know anything.
Why we got my socks up here? Jeez Louise.
Was that it? So your overall impression?
Overall impression, you have a lot of stuff. I know you do a lot of projects with them and you do a lot of jobs for people, so it comes in handy. It's a good hobby and outlet from your work days. But would I spend long periods of time in here personally? No, it feels a little bit claustrophobic and messy. You're very organized, but it's organized chaos. I just wish it was a little bit more sanitary, like wiped down. Like I feel like you could do a better job cleaning. But organization-wise, and besides looking at that bell all the time that's not fixed for me, I think it's good and it does the job you need it to do.
Well, there you go, guys. I don't know if this was a good idea or not, because now apparently I got to go shopping and I got to finish the bell over here, which the stand for is going to be something else because it weighs like 35 pounds. So finding something that'll hang it at an angle in the garden is going to be challenging. And yeah, I think I need to wipe some stuff down. And again, there's the shopping thing. I'm going to hear about this one for a long time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Hope to see you next time.